SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making a website better so it shows up higher on search engines like Google. The main aim is to get more people to visit the site without paying for ads by tweaking things like keywords, content, and site structure. For example, a bakery might use keywords like fresh bread to attract local customers. SEO is super important in digital marketing because most people start their search for products online. Good SEO can bring more visitors to a website, make people trust the brand more, and increase sales. Unlike paid ads, SEO can give lasting benefits without ongoing costs. So, understanding SEO is key for any business wanting to do well online. Back in the early days of the internet, SEO was simple, like stuffing keywords into a website. But as search engines got smarter, SEO had to change, focusing more on user experience and quality content. Now it's a mix of technical skill and creative thinking, needing businesses to stay updated. Today, it's vital to focus on what users really want when they search. With more people using voice search on devices like Alexa, optimizing for voice is a must. Also, Google now looks at the mobile version of a website first, so a good mobile experience is crucial. Plus, showing expertise and trustworthiness in your content is essential for gaining users' trust. Keeping up with these trends helps businesses stay competitive and please their customers. On-page SEO means optimizing things directly on your website to rank higher. This includes using the right keywords and titles, descriptions, and headings to help search engines understand what your content is about. Also, using descriptive alt text for images helps users and search engines understand them. Doing these things can really boost a page's ranking. Off-page SEO involves things you do outside your website to improve rankings. Getting backlinks from trustworthy sites acts like a vote of confidence for your site. Engaging on social media and working with influencers can also drive traffic and improve your site's authority. For local businesses, being listed on Google My Business is crucial. By mastering both on-page and off-page SEO, businesses can build a strong online presence. A well-organized website helps users and search engines find what they need easily. A good structure with clear categories, internal links, and a sitemap makes a big difference. Also, easy-to-use menus and clear calls to action keep visitors engaged. Making sure a website works well on mobile devices and loads quickly is super important. A responsive design adapts to any screen size, and optimizing images and code speeds up loading times. Using AMP can make pages load almost instantly on mobile, improving user experience. Regularly testing the mobile usability ensures everything works smoothly. All these technical SEO factors improve user satisfaction and search engine rankings. Good SEO starts with finding out what people are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner help find the right keywords, and checking what competitors rank for can reveal opportunities. Understanding if people are searching for information or to buy something helps tailor the content. Once you have the keywords, use them naturally in your content. Write content that's engaging and useful. Use images and videos, and aim for longer, high-quality articles. Always include a clear call to action to encourage readers to do something, like subscribe or explore more. By doing thorough keyword research and creating quality content, businesses can improve their online visibility and turn visitors into customers. So that's how it works.